وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَلَى صَلَاتِهِمْ يُحَافِظُونَ. Not only are they constant on their prayers, they are the ones that guard, especially over the institution of their prayers, they guard them continually. They watch over them. They guard them means two things here. The first thing it means is the times of prayer. You create a protective perimeter around the times of prayer. Don't tell yourself after going to sleep at 2 in the morning, yeah, I'll get up for Fajr, I think. You didn't guard your prayer. You didn't care. It was no big deal. If I pray, well and good. If not, oh well, another Fajr gone. Swing and a miss. That's not guarding your prayer. Guarding your prayer means go to sleep. Guarding Fajr means go to sleep early at night. That's guarding Fajr. Guarding Isha means stop. It comes in, you pray. Don't take your time. Oh, there's time for Isha. Fajr's like 8 hours away. I got time for Isha. Oh, maybe a little nap, then I'll pray Isha. Just a little nap, I'm tired. I mean, you wouldn't want me to pray tired, would you? Because then I can't concentrate. And you wake up, Fajr's 5 minutes left. Now it's time for Isha. This is you guarding your prayer. The moment it comes in, pray. Don't delay it. You'll mess up. You'll just mess up. Don't keep looking out at the sky at Maghrib. You're sitting there chatting. Oh, it's still kind of blue. It's bluer. Don't do that. That's not guarding the salah. The other meaning of this is what we learned. We started with al-musallin and we saw these characteristics, which according to this passage were all made characteristics of people of prayer. So guarding the prayer to this person who understands this, guarding the prayer to them has a new definition now. Is guarding all of these things. That's how I guard my prayer. How am I guarding my prayer and I'm still a cheater, I'm untrustworthy, and I don't fulfill my promises, and I don't watch my eyes, I don't protect my farj, and how am I guarding my prayer? And these ayat aren't even about the true believers. This is about just people who pray. Al-Musallin. People of Salat is one part of our Iman. One part of what we're supposed to do. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, where there's a similar passage, the qualities being described are of people of Iman, Al-Mu'minun. Here, this is all just qualities of people who make Salat. And there in Surah Al-Mu'minun, at the end, you get the highest Jannah. What's the highest Jannah? أُولَٰئِكَ يَرِثُونَ الْفِرْدَوْسِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. Here in this passage, you're not offered Jannah, you're told the fire peels the skin off of people. And it calls them, except the people who pray. It's not, Jannah isn't talked about first. What's talked about first here is, these are the people who don't burn in hell because they pray. Salat is their protection. And here's how Salat protects them, because it protects the rest of their character. Then Allah at the end says, أُولَٰئِكَ فِي جَنَّاتٍ مُكْرَمُونَ. Those are the people that are going to be in multiple gardens, honored.